Hello folks, this is Steve, AB4L. Where am I? Now this is supposed to be quick in, quick out, right? Easy in, easy out. You see, there's nobody in line practically. We just hope nobody in a big truck is ordering so much stuff that it takes an hour to fix it, like the last time. Easy in, easy out. I've just been buying some food. Now they got a crowd inside. See all the cars parked here? They're inside. I'll take the... Oh, they don't even have people out here. It's so quick. You have to give your order right at the thing. Steve?
Hi, what can I get for you?
I'd like a #1 deluxe meal, please. Could you tell me the cheeses?
Sorry?
Colby Jack? Could I have Colby Jack?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'd like a Coke Zero with no ice, please.
Alright, can I see it for you?
That's it, thank you. No sauces.
It'll be $9.90 around the corner.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Look at this. She's ahead of me. It's $9.90 around the corner. How'd she get her order in so fast? Now that truck there is from out of state. Uh-oh, something's holding the line up again. You gotta look out for big SUVs with 10 people in them, everybody giving an order. See, I thought this was just gonna move. Now the person to the right of me is gonna try to cut me off. See, some smart people do it. They go in, they get it, they walk back out, and it's quicker. Look at this. What's going on? They don't have enough people on duty. Nobody's moving. I'm complaining. Cut him off. I cut him off. I know what he was going to do. She was going to do. Could I have a receipt for Steve, please? Steve? Yes. Oh! Oh, what did she call me?
It's a bit of I mean, it kind of sounds.
Oh, my name will be on there anyway. No, I need to know the name for up there.
Oh, yeah, it's like a
R-E-E-D? Okay. Steve Reed. Yeah, okay, why not? Why not?
You have a good night.
Oh, careful. All right. Okay, we're good. Did they tell you? My name is actually Steve, but somebody heard it as Reed. Okay, did I get the right thing? Oh, careful. No. There we go.
Good night, sir.
Okay, once we unblocked it with whoever it was, you can see it emptied out. And we can see that it's still underpopulated, but somebody's trying to get out ahead of me. They're backing as carefully as I would do it, because I'm terrible at backing. I can smell the waffle fries. Boy, they smell good. Seems like a lot of traffic. The day before we're supposed to get some bad weather like snow, sleet, rain, ice. They've been brining the road. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Okay, that person's crossing, so I'm shielded. There we go. So it wasn't so bad. I still got the green arrow. I am holding on to my Coke Zero with no ice, so it won't spill on my special parts. That guy took a shortcut in. Let me get the first waffle fry before I sign off. They're still warm. Good. Delicious. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending anything. Delicious. I love it. Okay. I went food shopping, but I just got dinner shopping. Steve AB40. Had a good day. Raked some leaves and hauled them. Yeah, I managed to do it. Climbed Faith Rock Trail. Enjoyed it. Headed home with a nice, I love these waffle fries. Saying see you in 73.